Hi guys, today I will tell you how to fix playback not available error in Sony Bravia TV. So let's begin. So there are two reasons for this error. The most common error is that the video resolution is greater than the TV resolution, and the other is the video from the pen drive is corrupted while moving or downloading. To solve the corrupted error, you have to re-download the same file, then you have to do the same while moving the file to your pen drive. And to solve the video resolution is greater than the TV resolution error, you have to follow the steps that I will do in my PC now. So at first you have to download all files from the description box. Then you have to extract HD Video Converter Pro 19.3 by clicking on right click. Then you have to click on extract here. You have to extract it by using WinRAR. And after the extracting process is complete, you have to go to the extracted folder. Then you have to simply run HD Video Converter Pro as administrator. And you have to make sure that your internet is been disconnected. You have to click on yes. I am recording, so the administrative access option is not coming. Then you have to click on OK. Then you have to simply click on next. Then you have to click on I agree. Then you have to click on install. It is now installing. Then you have to click on finish. Then you have to close this pop-up window. It is now loading HD video converter. You have to wait for some time. And if it will not load, then you have to close this window. Then you have to again launch this. Then you have to click on converter. Then you have to select your video. This is the test video. Then you have to simply choose the resolution depending on your TV. In my case, I am using 1080p Full HD TV. So I will choose it to 1080p. And if you are using a 720p, which means HD TV, then you have to select 720p. But I am using 1080p Full HD TV, so I will choose this. Then you have to simply run this. It is now finished. Then you have to simply click on open. And now you can close SD video converter. And then you have to rename this file to 1080 pixel, which means P. And then you can connect your pen drive to your PC for copying this to your pen drive. And then you can simply copy it to your pen drive. We have now successfully copied the video to pen drive, and now I will show you the proof from the TV. This video is playing perfectly without any error. We had successfully downscaled the video from 2160p, which means 4K, to 1080p, so that the TV will recognize the video as 1080p. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.